BBAI stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether BigBear.ai is a buy or not for me. Having done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's printing me money and what's not. Especially with BBAI, I'm looking to double down on this. And if you have been following any of my videos, you will understand that even back when it was like $2.18, I was like sitting here looking to take it further up. Like it was $2.28, then this thing reached $10, then it crashed out. And then on the second run up here, if you've been following me, you probably will, you're just nodding your head here, but obviously look to take it further up a month ago. And so what, wanted to see this pull down, give me this confirmation, but it's just, you know, pumped up like crazy. And in this particular instance, I mean, idea-wise was phenomenal, but since it's inside this demand zone here, this is a perfect timing, you know, to hopefully look to take things further up. Now it's already post-market, and that's that. But going into like Friday, if it makes sense, obviously it's all about doubling down on this long side. Again, it's obviously not financial advice, and please do your own due diligence. Like I have so many previous receipts with BBAI in my Discord, and you'll want to learn the exact sauce that it's taken me so much time to learn. 5 years. You want to get to those 5-10K months, just click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free, and I'll continue to keep you updated.